What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fuel the Adrenaline Outdoors. Hunter here with you. And today, it is the second day of the opening trout season here in Pennsylvania, and it is snowing. I don't know where this weather decided to come from, but you can't catch the fish sitting on your couch. So today, we're going to be getting right back out there on some local rivers and streams, trying to get it done and catch some trout. Stay tuned. Oh, looks like there's two guys stupid enough out here to do this with me. Let's get fishing. Oh, there's one. We got one. Right here down in front. There we go. What do we got? A nice rainbow. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, no. That's a brown. There we go. On the board already. Here we go, guys. On the board already. Second cast. Beautiful brown trout. We're going to send them back and get right back into the hole. Well, we caught that one brown trout here at the Lehigh, and now I think I'm gonna head back home and change because I'm soaked. Started raining, I had to put the camera away, but you didn't miss much. And then I think we're gonna head back out this afternoon to either the Roaring Brook again or Tobyhanna, or maybe even back up here. So stay tuned, guys. Lots of fishing still coming. There's one. Drop your rod. Let me hold your rod up a lot. The same thing you are. I don't even know if it's a trout. It is. That's a really nice brookie. That's a really nice brookie. Come here, buddy. There we go. Another one. All right, here we go, guys. Going for the release here. There he goes. Well, guys, I wasn't recording because I just let mine go, but she's on the board finally. All right, guys, here we go. Maria's fish. Going back to be caught another day. Got one. Watch out, coming underneath you, babe. go. Oh, got him. All right, Maria's hooked up. Sending mine back. Here we go. Another one. Turn it on now. Here's Maria's second one now. Going back. Fishing's turning on in the rain. Oh, there's one right here. There's one. We got another one. Coming true, babe, coming true. It's a nice one. Got him. Another beauty. There he is. One more. That's 5, I believe. Come here, sir. Grace me with your presence. Thank you. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. We were here at Tobyhanna State Park this afternoon. Caught some fish. Got very wet in the rain. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.